What's up, Bobby? How are you today?
I'm doing great actually. Need something?
Come on, Bobby, we are friends. Are we not?
I guess we are.
You know, I've been thinking about you a lot lately.
Really? About what exactly?
Nothing specific really, but I was thinking maybe we can go on that date you've been asking me for.
Amara, are you alright?
Of course I'm alright. Do I look sick to you?
You're acting very weird right now.
You don't think a girl like me can love a guy like you?
Actually, I don't. And it's because you made it very clear on multiple occasions that a girl like you can never even be seen in public with a guy like me.
Come on, Bobby, we were just kids back then.
It was last week, Amara.
I know, but a lot of things have changed since then. Like I said, I've been thinking about you a lot, and I think you're a really nice guy.
Is that a synonym for stupid?
Stop being a dick, Bobby. I'm really trying my best to tell you how I feel about you.
I'm sorry if you taught me not to trust you. You can't just show up and claim.
Okay, I'm sorry. I messed up. Can you give me another chance? Let's kinda start over. Okay.
This feels like a bad dream. But it's okay. It won't hurt to go on a date with you for one night, even if it's just in my dreams.
You actually thought I can go on a date with you? It's April Fool's Day, silly, and you are clearly a fool. I was just fooling with you, Bobby Con. You're not my type. Have a good day.